All right, taking the doggy for a walk, throwing the trash, and then we're gonna go monster hunting. Ain't they right, Alana? We're going monster hunt.
Oh, two gums.
Two gums?
Oh, this pocket.
What two gums?
This.
Oh.
My dog bought two.
Dun, dun, dun. Meow, hey, baby.
I like one.
All right, monster hunting time. We got an Anjanath. Oh, so you can see Anjanath. Monster hunting.
Wait.
Oh, he got me.
Come back. Just come back.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
I want a kiss.
Nope.
You're gonna lose.
I'm not.
Oh, he's dying. Okay, you win. Your first game. So we're gonna go walk again. Here's Micah with Oreo.
Let's get to this weaker one and then you can do it. I don't want you touching the 5-star.
I can do the 5-star.
Nope, I'm not strong enough for it yet. There we go, we got a Radamon.
Oh my god.
Show mommy on the camera. So we got Radamon. Alright, go. I'm chewing one of your gums. Why didn't you like? Roll. Don't waste my potions, I only have 3. Roll, 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 roll.
Look at Oreo.
Yeah, broke his leg.
I think she got a poop or something.
And she wants to run.
Can we go to the park?
We can. So you and Micah can go play at the park. Here, Micah.
I want to hold Oreo.
Then go. Ask her. There you go.
Then go get her.
Go. There.
I bet you can
Oh.
make me.
Killing the Kulu Yaku.
Here's the pool. But it's too cold to go swim right now.
But I'm sure the water's heated.
Especially there at the... What's that? So there's people here.
Alright, 3-star. Kuluyaku.
Wait, Daddy, Mommy, can one of you hold Oreo?
Oh, got me.
Gonna die now.
3-star done.
Okay. There's Oreo. Ah, here, babe. Oreo, fix your leash. Fix your leash, Oreo.
See, around the neighborhood. We'll zoom in.
Oh, there.
Y'all getting some content too?
Yeah.
How are you doing for the shoot?
What you doing?
Wait. I'm just gonna get something out of my shoe.
What's in your shoe?
Up.
I know. I got save my guy.
Okay, go play.
Wait. I saw something right here. Family or yeah, let's play family. Yeah. You're the mom and I am the child. Wait, I'm gonna be the teenager.
Huh?
Okay, pretend I'm like pretending I'm your mom. Huh? I'm actually teenager. Adopt you because your mom loves you.
Oops. I'm taking out some lower monsters. Whoops. Yep, so around, all around us, we got monsters. But we need to leave the neighborhood.
Where are we? Are we there?
Here.
There's no monster here.
Oh no, they're all either behind
There's
us
5
or beside
stars.
us. Yeah, 5 stars. That's where I'm at right now, 5 stars. Alright, I need to kill this one.
Where is that one?
I
Today
just
is...
hunt it.
Huh?
It's an urgent quest. I just hunt it, but I need upgrade materials for my... Still need more iron. And I don't have enough to get the fire shovel.
Oh, yeah. That's the one. Oh, yeah.
What you doing? Where y'all?
She wants to run.
This one's down. Oh, let's go over that way.
Be careful.
Hey, we're gonna go like we're going toward the mailbox. We're going like we're going toward the mailbox. Do that again.
I'll take a picture of it.
Do that again.
Take a picture. Wait. 1, 2. No picture. Fix your hair.
Spin, spin, spin,
Alana,
spin,
fix your
spin.
hair. Okay. See here. Alana, look. Look here. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go walk. Let's go walk. Let's go walk. Come on, Oreo, let's go.
Are you gonna see the man? Go. You come back here.
Oh, you got one.
No. No. There they go. You say don't run and they run.
Don't run.
Alright, now we're gonna go this way. This is where we're going. I don't know if you can see it or not. That's where we're going. Oh, got some iron.
Can I pretend after? Yeah. Okay. Come, Micah.
Where you going?
Look out. What you eating?
Chewing your gum. Wait, let them go. All right, now we gotta where we tap. Bam. Any monsters around? No monsters. We can go down this way. There's a few. Oreo, wait, baby. What you doing, Oreo?
Oh, you stop.
Where's the key?
Yes.
Then why do you have three
Turn it upside
keys?
down.
Ooh, the sun. You gonna hold
So you
Oreo?
swear, been here 2 years and you still don't know how to use a mailbox key?
See this one. See this one, Micah. Come here. Micah, see this one. Whoa. Let's go. This one.
Yeah, she wants to roll this way. There's monsters down here. We can go back around to the park.
Yeah, he's playing the game Monster Hunting. Monster Hunting. He's trying to get to.
Yeah,
What
we're trying to.
chapter?
13. I need to get to chapter 13 for the event.
I don't know.
I'm only on chapter 10.
What chapter 10? Micah, you know Monster Hunting?
And see, now you can see that's where we're going right there.
But my dad's on chapter 10.
There's really no monsters. There's just gathering points. Oh, there is a monster.
Oh, you can use to like rice spaghetti. Okay, let's go over here.
This is a big monster.
Pokey pokey.
Micah, hold on.
Oh, dang it. I knew he was going to do that.
Oh!
Can I hold it?
Oh, shoot. This is only one star, but it's big.
Broke the wing.
Oh, you know. Come on, let's go. No, stay still.
Yeah, I killed
Oh, hold on. He's
the
poisoned.
monster.
I just killed a 4-star monster.
This is only 1 star.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Completed.
Only B.
It has to be like this. Okay? Oh, wait. I got
There's another monster.
Let's see what else is. Is there another monster around me? No. We got some gathering points. And we completed the Slay Pookie Pookie. Okay, we got these 2 gathering points right here. Maybe 3 if I can get this in time for this 3rd one. See, now. Got us some monster bone. Oh, I got a monster bone plus. If he's over there, I can get this Rotobon.
Let's stick them up.
Hey, Oreo.
Wait, why are you following?
Oh, it follows us.
Cassie? Ooh. Daddy, you should probably get that.
It's an event. I can't do that. I don't have a ticket for it. But dum we're going to try to reach this. Going to the edge of the gate. Try to reach this other. Ouch. No, I can't do you. Well, maybe I can. No, I can't. I don't have a ticket.
Excuse me.
Got it. Oh, no, it didn't. Right here.
You got it?
Yep, got it. Okay. Well, we don't have a Hunathon ticket, so we can't do the event. That's where we're going. Hunter rank 37.
Ew.
Oreo, don't mess with it. Oh,
Ah, my goodness.
all right.
Yeah, killed it.
Good job on your 1 star.
I just started, fish. Hey, see?
All right, back to the park. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
All right, I got no more monsters.
Wait,
We're gonna watch the other little monsters here.
I got it. Are you ready?
Hey, go left. Go to your left. Go that way. That way. That way. On the sidewalk. How many 1 stars you got? You gotta get the Pokey Pokey.
This one?
Slay the Pokey Pokey. While they're watching a noob.
I killed it.
Yep, Oreo got attacked by a big dog before. Now she doesn't like the big dogs. There's a dude over here taking a photo shoot with some shirts.
They have a lot of, what's his name? Stitch.
Where?
Here. We're gonna play.
They have a lot of Stitch wear.
This one. And this shop Disney.
Or the Disney shop.
Oh, this one can be your backpack.
Well, I'd hope they'd have a lot of Stitch on Disney store. Now while we doing this, we're gonna figure out how to zoom in. That's not that. Can we zoom in this way? No. No. Not that way either. Oh, there it goes. You can go up to 2 times zoom. And 1 time zoom out. Well, there we go. Oreo's been wanting to come out, so we brought her outside. She's been wanting to get out here and run around. See, I can do the Aqua Slasher, but it's no good. I don't like it. What I'm trying to get is we need the Jogger's Blade and level this thing up to the Jogger's Hacker. But we're gonna try my 5-star right here. The Urgent Quest. See, I'm nowhere near strong enough. But we're gonna do it. Oh, got him. Oh, I missed. Woo! Damn it. it gave it to me. Whoa! Got him with 1 second left. I'll take it.
What the?
Alright, now we need to kill 2 Anjanats, 10 monsters, gather 10 items. And I already killed one of the Anjanats in the area. Oh, there you go. We just killed a 5-star monster for our story quest. It's alright, Oreo. Oreo. Jump, baby. Oreo. Oreo. You tired? Oreo. You tired?
She's probably thirsty.
I don't know, probably.
Alana, let's go back. Let's go.
1 more minute. 1 more minute.
Okay, 1 minute, because Oreo's thirsty. No, 1. You ready to go, baby? You thirsty?
Oh yeah, 1 minute. So Davia has time.
Oreo is hungry.
But alright, I think that's going to do it for this vlog. We're going to watch these other little monsters play and then go back home.
Hold Oreo so I can record
Yeah, baby. Oreo.
Hi.
There's Micah. Be careful.
I'm okay. If I let go, I will like fall to the ground.
And there's Alana.
Has it been 1 minute?
Yes.
Yes, it's been 1 minute.
How Oreo is
1 minute.
Oreo is hungry. Wee!
Oh, Dad, it's coming up and down. Come on. Coming down. Hurry. It's time to go.
Wee!
Yay. I gotta get the whole head. Yeah. Come. Let's run. Run. Oh.
Alright, that's it for this vlog. So see you later, vlog.
See you later, vlog.